Hello and welcome guys. We are need to install the Python 3, and for that we just needs to start with the license acceptance on the Xcode command line tools. For that we need to write the command sudo Xcode build and dash license. So it will ask you for password, and then you can move for this and just press the agree to accept the terms and conditions. So it takes some times the install, but it was, I think, all the command line tools are updated. So just we need to some part needs to be the install for that, and for that we need to write the command sudo Xcode and select, and here install. So it's saying that the command line tools are already installed, just we need to update. So here this is already installed over there. We need to the next step, install to the Homebrew. You can install the Homebrew by this command, and here is the $sign here inside the curl -fssl https here raw dot github user content.com/homebrew, and here the install and master and install. The Homebrew is already installed on my machine, just you can use this command for installation of it. Just if you use, then there's it's saying that the curl, just we need to write the curl inside in it. This is already installed, just I am here adding for you guys to learn it through this command. So by that way the Homebrew will be the install. You need to press enter again to agree with the terms and conditions. By that way it will be the installing Homebrew again. Homebrew was already installed over there, and it takes some time and it will install the Homebrew for you. Also means like so here is the Brew is installed. So here you can run the Brew update command, just only to make sure to make it update. Python 3 is already installed, but you can use the command Brew install Python 3. By this command you can install. Let me check if the Python 3 is installed on my machine. Here is the 3.8.5 version is already installed, but you can install Python by this command Brew install Python 3. By that way you can install it. So this is for installation of the Homebrew and the Python. I will be back with the next lecture where we will install the OpenCV.